Antonim said last week, no an out of force eco PM Ghana Parliament, not a honor or already budget. Now, right after budget, no one and say that is a PAP. I say a B any MMDCs almost salary a movie just ya tomb from 5,000 cedis to poly 35,000 just ya two market to yamu 600% increment. Now I know ana TikTokers when we be say edwuma be pa na abaya krache for omo ya de boa Ghana ntino omo jaketua 6 akatua ntumo 600% omo ene mahama backlash me man kire mu no akire wadwen ama me e comment section ayi Penyah block media meso say ni di mo over like video no that my subscribe button na be click notification icon for the latest update na be kire wadwen de ama me e comment section meso so ba so no ahye for so anya bi ahwe you know man fan kwaja ka 2020 ana COVID-19 ever Ghana hadom ama you declare state lockdown across the country Ghana hadom and the lockdown persisted for almost a year and a school for bia shefi ankwajuma through that no and if I can say okay near government appointees nipa me ba ben me appointing ma me mamadwuma no me sere mo me ti maketua so it ought obi aketua so 30% obi aketua from MMDCs ministers, cabinet ministers, whatever appointee I say Akufo Emeki or slash you be salary by 30%.
My fellow Ghanaians, we are all going to have to make some sacrifices to afford us the space to navigate the troubled waters of the current economic difficulties. In the case of government, discretionary expenditures of ministries, departments, and agencies have been cut by 30%. The salaries of all political appointees, including myself, have been reduced by 30%. Fuel coupon allocations have been slashed by 50%, and other expenditures suspended.
Ever can ombu enyo so but oya de wakasa on the fa wadwuma e do see the betu ama uni say the Kufa yes I the boy man konkon Ghana 2 years ka e dey support Ghana kakra in that time of crisis e man okra no e Kufa dey anyimonyam e wo mrofo ni nsem o watima handle Ghana yi 89 cents Mahama e betre to ba Mahama betre kunya so what be a friend no presidential staffers what I say presidential staffers who doubles as cabinet ministers yes omo no modwumade no omo say cabinet ministers pepe but they free omo presidential staffers I say physical staffer for that information and communication at the office of the presidency or no nedwumade e wo e ho no say physical encrofo no budget reading e by na say o market ya tune by 67%. Now meanwhile base pay for civil and public servants almost base pay salary increment just 9%. It will teacher near worker to the 9% per another count. Or your nurse near the 9%. Or your police near the 9%. Or your soldier near the 9% per an account. But presidential staffers, fellas of Ofusu you had 67% and I come back to you. Now I look at the NKye in the history of Ghana. Me who and Tumua abodam say MMDC for to Antumu. Charlie and Tumuna bodam. MMDCs aban cratch for DC near DC for the MC near for Omo market ya. I go for the time no to 5,000 cities and 50 million. But Mahama bells there we my cratch for. My cratch for the same Tiomukayi or mass were poly from 5,000 cities to 35,000 cities, from 50 million to 350 million. That is entumu a wode ama wo mu no MMDCs no entumu 600%. 600% increment. Meanwhile, nurses and teachers, ye mo market entumu just 6% pay. Na first of all, go presidential staffers omugu ho no mo. 67% increment. You know what you the boy you answer take care of asa then of Ofosu oyede fellas of Ofosu kwachi be dey part where the boy Ghana oyede Ofosu kwachi yede oyede me give you what say better no but dey what dey part na Ofosu kwachi fellas of Ofosu kwachi oyede the boy Ghana nkoso oyede what does he do next and two never was and to me crazy na no ana social media man for be say na ede be adwuma be nko na MCs any DCs omu ya enti no o market akra so sine MP for because MP ska omo je record it is carry mo 170 million and this guy 17 omo 17,000 170 million but DCs and MCs I get 35,000 TikTokers for other people that say there be adwuma there be nko na omu ye e de bo Ghana to omu je da sikawi
nkwasi asem kakraka ti sesei ono aban na oba be 7 yen kromafo no ono ato ne pay mu getting to 70%. Omo be sum yen no ye huri omo pay omo increase omo pay next year omo pay ne ya tum 70% o na aban adwumayefo nurse fo teacher fo omo wo ho no ma so omo ye adwuma omo pay ne de 9%. Na mo amu ba besia twam awu no mo amu besia akwu no Mahama mo na hwan fo ne ya se budget ne ya den ya tumu aban omo MPs no MPP ne NDC fo no obian kan hwe o presidential staffs no ministers ne hwan MPs no ya tumu almost 67 to 70%. Na not like ordinary workers no mo tie adwuma nim na de bi omo tie ho no omo de bi omo ye adwuma no omo ne ya tum 9% less than 10% and do 40-50% o ma me nurse ma me doctor teacher ni na o hye nwure mu ware no but presidential staffs na omo prapra Jubilee House edi yamomo ye kan say diplomatical passport na yeso omo nkonkohwe say den na ekoso na omo ya to omo pay mu omo ochina for next 4 years omo nya bi mo di so no omo ba be omo de yen yesika omo de yen Ghana yesika no ayo omo so mfa so ejapade nti yetoto mu no omo de 60 to 70% o increment o baso ntele mu nyina omo nyina o yatoto obi apay mu ase edu nketia mu nyina o na Ghana fo na yentimamufo no yen GP ye omo so omo bekwa yaresabia na omo behwe yen so no omo yentu omo pay mu ye teacher fo no so omo bekọ ye be kire omo ade no yentu omo pay mu ye ai emfa o sade mo ye no yentena se mhwe mu ani han sa o aban no yempene se obema wo ho increment 65 almost 70% na Ghana timamufo no bia NGP gold board den sika ni na ebu no mo di sika ni nyina ba betua mo ho ka ba Ghana no munye road bia mayen 9 months pena ba no manya increment ba munye road bia anye kwan bia anye bibia munye bibia ebetumi di ensa som obi na de 5 billion pew aye biggest dam in the whole world. Moma buy no scam sign within this year, fitting 7 January bepem November ending year komi scam sign no obia ebetumi achichiri wi ase but munye mu bia o but moma increase mu pay munye adwuma ba munye adwuma bi o ma increase mu pay teacher for so amuntu mu pay mu ede enkwase mambo ne yete wa yede ni tonhwe mo sanhweni a eni bon no ai emfa o sadia mo chichire ba no yaba
Ghana youth see now 5,000 cities and now MMDC on the 35,000 Ghana city attack any
Dabi omanya bo check kane no asim kane how many years ago 15 years ago anase nanu ya imata bo mo ko no 5,000 bo so me ena sesei omoja he
and 35,000 ejimidi we mo
e kate ko so omanya emonyu no ansa oma twen omanti e kate ko aha se de na MCs no mo ya ntie mo 35,000
uhu de omo ye aban president say na muni akane no metin fifre sa akoje 5,000 and aban hu say
5,000 kwa so akam e bi akam
aban hu say me
oman 35 into you say no wo ya ban crash penny abeje 350 million
ya ban crash penny
aban crash penny set in office
okofield
ko eden and the flood ye
Imole e ka befie mo hu say Ghana youth ye kan se mamunti o abanye o wa promise ye say oba be katikos eniu enye se hunu na nadu di bia ni enye onu a muse sika ni krum economy na e gbawi ntinu muntu timemfo salary mu ye a ye dwuma ebre na ye na ye tua rent tua electricity e fa ka ye bibia no Utumu 10% say usre ya economy na eden. Now our point is what to more than 200%. MCE no nuje 50 million. Emrebi echuemuno 5,000 no. Sisi akọ 35,000, more than triple. What is going on? Now you see government appointees no 67% na ye tu mama omo. Now you to now omo ye campaign now ko omo hu na di atem ye ka hwe omo nti no. Omo no salary to ma 10%. Aba mu no mutu rent, electricity, water, telephone bill, cars ye de mamu, petrol ye de mamu, allowances ahudo muje. Na mu tumu amu hu salary mu. Na you to know no ne juma minimum wage. Mpo ye 21 cedis a day. Youth mumbra new force. Ye catch them. Let's sack this NPP NDC. They are not going to help this country. These people, they are the same people. Wow. Very soon, ni force ye babelanti ye political party. Mumbra. Ninyen tout ça qu'on faut oui. No mu kunye. What is all this?
Enre yana metna ha. E kan se aban no emu Ghana for omu a serve public servants. Enre yana meka wase. Se what to market you by 9%, but what could to a presidential staff is market you by 67%. And they got you got sorry pay. Yes, what could to MMDC is when you cut you. MCE and DCE and OG 50 million no. Mahama atuna cut you by 600%. After which you book at 350 million. Into market you not jump from 50 million to 350 million. That's 600% increment. So if you can increase the salaries of MMDCs by 600%, at the end of the year, na or not child will crash or NS will crash. Fire service need police. Won't mean to even the rent allowances no. What could you not by just 9%? But the moment we video number, what the moment we video no. Need about the MMDC's salary increments. We could see.
Ability. Can now MMDC here? Now 5,000 cities. And now MMDC on Georgie. 35,000 Ghana city. Attack any year.
That be Omanya but check Caneno as in Cane how many years ago? 15 years ago, and I said, Nano ya imata bo mko e nom de 5,000 bosume. And na say omoja he.
And 35,000. It be new mom.
Yeah, catechos. Omanya emonyo answer. Oma train. Omanti e catechos. Ah, I'm saying na MCs.
And now wow no. I think that it's disappointing. We nurse and not teaching and our fire service ni. Now you think say because we in this to be defended. I mean that's okay. But at the end of the day, you're making yourself poorer. I've told you many interests. I'm only trying to protect and also fight for the vulnerable and the poor in the community. But so why not say you do no if you're okay, and that's fine. But this is what the government is doing to you. Also, in this country, we're talking by 9%, but we're cut to MMDC is doing by 600%. So if only sika for teacher ni, there, he no yeska MMDC in a presidential staffers. Mahama is the hope. Maybe this is the hope. Maybe the hope is for only few, and that is the presidential staffers and the MMDCs. Mahama Kane, I'm sorry, Mahama is hopeless. All right, so Charlie.
Mahama, Ibu Mahama, MMDC for no. One more day, what to market from 5,000 to 35,000. Ibu Mahama, the last one no. You're training our bayana. Oh, Ibu, nurse for no, teacher for no. 2026, what's the budget? Or market fiano. Hey, Ibu, my minda was ready. Inside me.
Hey, President Mahama, with 3 more Dion, NDC, with 3 more ding, Ghana 1.4, more bro, with 3 more ding. We are wicked, we are evil. Ghana for one screen so. She presidential staffer, and as a presidential staffers, she salary increment I am on. Budget allocation, salary increment I am on. 67%. Sa presidential staffers here, young who Juma be omdima o my Ghana no. She to ya to market you 67%. omo mo jisika kakra da no ya sa to mo pay mu 67%. Ye hu adwuma bi o my Ghana. Nation the poor ordinary Ghanaian now or public servant. Say nurse ni, say teacher ni obato to nsuom, obato to wiem, obakofa ayi baby basa bi ansa no watimi akwa kira de watimi akodwuma no 9%. Teacher ni poor person, nurse ni be brian in village baby ansa no watimi kwa kohi obi. Hwe, ye tuni pay ma 9%. Hey, Ghana for money for mo ya bro mutrimo den. Mutrimo di o, ke se mo nwi nipa ho. Penyah Mahama. Enti say na mo so mo tie. Hey, mutrimo din papa, mu ye wicked papa, mu nwi nipa ho. Nyankopon betua mo ka o, Nyankopon betua mo ka ba ko sese mu mutrimo din Nyankopon betua mo ka. Na we ya make we nyina no, Ghana ni be o ye public servant o, or ye poor person. Ebe hu sa video we, unlike you on show, dentia, o believe say o kasa fa ni party ho. Jimmy sao. Yentu na kwatio ma obre na nipa me kra menya public servant ame no me ye an ordinary Ghanaian activist ame me kasa no ono hu video we unlike on share because wakasa fa ni party hu je say ni pay na yentu na ono de o ye poor person na onwe so ono so be ko nanimu no onwe hu.
Is it true that the government of Ghana has increased the salary of presidential staffers by 67%? Ebusia mibusa. Is it true? Is it also in the budget? Say, Abino I increase presidential staffers. One more a salary by 67% and is it also in the budget? I was just say no cry. Me diwa mampeni Mahama ho yao. Like seriously. But me bra, I'm a summer brony Alhaji Kama. Today on Movement TV, it throw more light on this issue. Just take it.
Increase presidential staffers salary. Presidential staffers, so
sir,
almost salary are increased by 67%.
Our budget,
yes.
Wow.
Hey, and you see
now, and a mabefie.
Ghana today, government increases salary for presidential staffers by 67%. And presidential staff of Biano, what I'm told is say they are equivalent to a deputy minister. Rank is equivalent to a deputy minister. So meaning, look at the things they are entitled to. They will be entitled to car, drivers, every minister.
And the man does.
Yamani be entitled to.
I'm sure. So, uko presidential staffers are. You treat you almost to say deputy ministers. Okay? Presidential staffers. You treat you almost to say deputy ministers. Just say, Obia wa ye deputy minister ni entitlement. And you ma mamrano asise ama deputy minister biano. Do ye presidential staffer biano. Ono so was so nyat se de deputy minister enya ne pepepe. Yet Ghana ha. And proud to the budget reading, Muba catcher some more to a Jumayafua Ketium, the Edikan, about 5%. And a month for a Tiswetia, and about 9%. Ghana Jumayafua, Aketia, 9%. Now, would you my young presidential staffers with one more Ketia? Not young Ghana Jumani Aketia. Nurse need the same, teacher need the same, police need not the same, but immigration need the same, fire service need the same. Presidential staff or just saying. Nasa who to a ketua what to presidential staff and mo market to 67% and now what to Ghana Jumayeni na ketium 9%. Hey, was I who? So these politicians are ya woman gene or mine home. Ye yanko ya no opposition ni nyina na wo so Ghana Jumayeni na wudi akire no me pacho ye kwadi ye no ani wo ye Ghana Jumayeni wo tie say ya to presidential staff secretariat by 67%. Now wo Ghana Jumayeni wo nurse ni wo doctor wo teacher wo immigration wo fire service any more am count ya to market you 9% no me pacho ete wo sen
debia ena ya say last budget ato forcing be ready here o ka kire ye say we betting tax free ho meboa o ka kire ye say we e levy free ho o be ye na no pa enumre they came to say the account Bible say omo ba so wifo enumre hwede omo be later 8% levy on petroleum products and only say 1 CDI say they are to petrol so 30 to 40% increase in all government fees, 21.9% VAT on non-life insurance, special import levy increasing from 1% to 2%, increase in marine gas oil price from 23 pesos to 1 Ghana 93 pesos, 7% increase in locally manufactured plastic products, 17% increase in electricity, 4% increase in water, 2% increase in growth and sustainability tax, and then growth and sustainability tax nesanka ended 2025 at to forcing a increase here at the court 2028 until you say why extended the sunset clause. So that budget now obey tax me no free hono and no fair no the taxes makuma ko 10 e buy and it is at to forcing now be catch say where you COVID tax everywhere, it should tell you, say, there are more taxes or deba, and Ghana for should be expectant. That is the strategy. And until I say, a danko dada a dre budget. Now, let me give you another one. Who can see he say, at to force and say, obey employ 800,000.
There or say, obey creating 800,000 new jobs.
Sunday, okay, so it can be both public and private sector. Yeah. I understand the word create. But that same atu force in Nswa culture say 150,000 nurses for mutifie no afi we want me nyame bo afi edi anim ontimi famu ba akokra. That same atu forcing was see we cannot absorb the 150,000 nurses backlog. Nti Ghana for nurses are mutie me atu forcing say mo de mo nka ho adwuma na mo so mo be kreti no mo nka ho. Number 3, almost say almost flagship program 24-hour economy. Me boy na say me. Now flagship program no gusita no abeka kire so mo hia 4 billion. Unim how much prof omode ma 24-hour economy this year? 110 million cedis. Adia wo hia 4 billion.
Is it in the budget?
Yeah. Adia wo hia 4 billion no. One location or budget allocation 110. Not even a 5% of the amount you need. Not even 5%. So what are you talking about? Agenda 1 job 3 1 na mo kan no.
133.
133 no. Any you see possible. No, bra kwa me. The entire me say ya dan ko da dre budget ni say. Presidential staffers. John Mahama increase your salary from 362 million last year or this year budget to next year budget 540 million. Prof, the presidential staff is bedidi o mafunumu beyema. Now, who go increase union for the government workers they are 9% per the amount. 9%. Now, national security first national office of the government machinery, I say, or mashada separating national security. How no more they be more operations because national security is can account for.
And because at this point, we change.
National security is the auditor general processes our de Ghana for seeking in our family. Different. It's a fact. And to do on the Omaye, Omatam 2.4 billion and Omadia question national security. So now what you say? Omu penny back who say Busumi be almost send 20,000 cedis at the comma a party constituency. Oma bedina. I do video na near her no AI in a gentleman. Video na near no AI. I don't say and crown. So to do your mafia work, what you do is you hide the money under national security. But yes, I but say no more than actual. It's the point I am making to you, and they say, I don't call that Dre budget. Now, what's the Kumasi Expressway? Any problem? Anything that will advance development, any problem? But back I mean, no question when they say, almost your mobile started dualization from Accra. Now, Kofa Adeso. Now, Kofa Achimoda. na akofa ofuanse ayerebi na akosi bosomtwe and all of that many problem. But the first question is Accra hinfa and mo sha ase free Accra hin unim bibi adeso it was as achimodan kwan so ufansa won bridge na se a. So what it means is that you need sa ofanko in sawam stretch na ye no. You see how smart they are. At to force in air trust, it will start from Accra. But one can't know where in Accra. Because on him say, oh here a kufuado project now or yeah from Ofanko to Nsanwemuno. And to one person about credit here kufuado intino say it will start from Accra and Nsanwem Accra. Nsanwem Accra because that is the only logical. That's the only That's the only logical thing. Because you need a Kufuado's 33-kilometer 10-lane highway now all year. Then you connect it to Adeso and continue. But there are two forces in one country Ghana for when they say Akufo-Addo is actually doing the dualization already.
No, Akufo-Addo is no longer president.
No. Okay, he was. Yeah, of Anko to Nsanwem. 5 lanes with 4 interchanges. Ukodru Nsanwem a baby efre ho kwafu krom otra Nsanwem total na. Eho de ye dualize dada ekopem Penyah junction. From Penyah junction to Lendador, eho de ye resurface and it will remain what it is. But we free Lendador then the Osino bypass starts. Inyirisi bypass, Enyinam bypass, and then Konongo Ejoso bypass. Ninyina is 70% complete. In fact, the Enyinam bypass, there one side of it, 2 lanes. One side of it is 100% complete. Now, at two forces say to complete the new project, it will take 3 years. One can feasibility and because feasibility for such a project will take at least 1 year. Because how far are there some poor? Shadaya Yabesi Siagu Kwano. Afe na ubeya ne brofo kasem de friend eminent domain. Omo a ube pamu omo no compensate omo. Edia kofa asaman kese. Edia eno nkwa be take ube 1 year to 2 years. So e kwan na ubeya no. Nyame aye wadom kra no. Ono ato force say omo be wie 2029. That is his estimation. But we know that such a road, 194 kilometers, with 4 interchanges, with rest stops, it will take about 5 years to complete. And the most logical and the most sensible thing I may say, Anka ato force in budget, ube allocate a percentage to complete the edru 70%. You finish it. And here 1 billion be crown aka na 2 billion be okay mon finish it, then we'll do this other route.
Ewo comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media.